The same developer in Metro Manila, they are now expanding their development here in Laguna, which I will show you later. And before we discuss this new development of Federal Land here in Laguna, let me show you how Federal Land delivered their development to their investors and clients. If you stayed in Grand Hyatt Manila Hotel, they are also the people behind that beautiful project, the Season Residences, the Grand Midori Ortigas, Mikasa, the Estate Makati, Valencia Hills, Peninsula Garden, and many more, which we all know na lahat naman yun ay premium development located in a prime location in Metro Manila. They have also development in Cebu, which is Marco Polo Residences and Marco Polo Plaza Cebu. And they own some companies here in the Philippines. Just to familiarize you guys, in case you don't know, they owned Metrobank and AXA Life Insurance. They own some retail and commercial facilities just like Mitsukoshi,